Hello there, this is Wild Bill and Jojo. That be Jojo. As soon as T gets out of the way. And we are at a place called Touch a Truck in, what city? Westport, Connecticut. That's where they keep her up for getting her. You know, told this, why? What's the matter with you, Joe? Why you suddenly got angry? What's the bad attitude about? That's not like you. You like this stuff. Got a giant crane over there. Coast Guard boat, and I'm going to run and catch up with Tina. We got a bus. Got a collection of trucks here today. Emergency vehicles, all types of vehicles. Dump trucks, trailer trucks. Should be an interesting day today, okay? So tag along with me, we'll see what we can find today. Oh, they got a train. Thomas! They got Thomas, Joe. Look at that. Okay, not on track. It don't run on track. My first use of the GoPro. I've had it for a while and haven't tried using it. We're going to try to get it done today. Joe looking at a fire truck being funny, don't want it right now. I don't know why. It's long. Yeah, the wheel. You can't. It won't go anywhere. You're safe. It's perfectly safe going to go to the truck, Joe. You can go touch the truck. Come on. We can go see the truck. Come on. You don't want to? What's the matter today, buddy? What's the temporal about? Trying to work two-handed here, using both cameras right now. The phone in, because I don't want to miss the episode. Oh, it just made a jump. Did you see that, people? That was cool. The GoPro's supposed to be steadier, but unfortunately, I don't know if it's any steadier right now because I'm trying to manipulate cameras with both hands right now. This is interesting. There's a rescue vehicle. We were looking for that. They have got two getting their faces painted. Joe doesn't want his face. He's playing with bubbles. Face paint. Got an ambulance over there. Truck over there. That must be the food court road out there with those trucks. It's the photo bomb expert right there. Jojo drawing. I don't know. Yes, Jojo's. Chris is standing there with Mark in hand. I guess you gotta wait their turn. Make your mark. That's a plan. Joe, don't go fight with the other kids. Ow, right in the head. Oh. I tried to talk you into these instead of your house down there, but you didn't want to buy any of these. All right, you're in the bulldozer, Joe. You're in the bulldozer. Now what are you going to do in the bulldozer, buddy? There's a fire truck over there and a school bus over there. Okay, they're all getting ready to go on the giant slide. Called roadkill. Try to throw it through the truck. Into a truck. Roadkill. Sounds like something to do. Hey, Joe made one. I just had a big one too. Playing Crossfire. Pass the trash. Alligator game. These novel characters here. I guess stand. Ha! Ice cream truck. I need to go see something. There goes a catamaran. Joe and Chris playing on the catamaran. All right! A fellow pirate. That's what I like. Where are you going, T?
I'm going to go over there. You'll see the wheel.
She's going to the wheel. I don't know. She likes them. Your boat? I wish it was our boat. That'd be great. Okay, GoPro from a moving train. I don't even know how to review this camera yet. We're going to find out how. The three of them are up there. We got Tina over here. We got Stan's over there. We got a nice hiking show. I'd like to hike. That could have been the adult. They got a nice, what do you call it, sound stage over there. Wow. Oh, that's right. They hold concerts out here, too. I've heard that from the boss. He lives out this way. He lives right on this water somewhere.
Yeah, but we're not looking for him.
I'm not looking for Peter at all. Peter's at work. I'm not looking for Peter. Trust me.
He works on a Saturday?
Huh? Oh, Saturday. No, he's not working. Sorry. No, it's Friday. I forgot what day the event was. I have to get one thing wrong in the video every day, every time. It's just required. I think the fans like it. Yeah, on the crane. I saw that already. No, the flag's been there. I looked up when I first got here. Nice scenic view over there. Where do you think we're going? Long trip?
Where are we going in a circle? That's where
It's going to take us back to West David. It's going to take us back to West David, and we'll take the bus back and get the truck.
take the train back and get the truck.
No, we're on the train now. Taking the truck bus back. You know, the train's not going to bring us back. It's going to take us and drop us off. Well, somebody must have gotten in the way or something. I don't want to run people over, you know. Not a good plan. Never run people over.
Unless you're the train at the Milford Mall.
They got rid of that. I thought that's a bad idea. I'm not sure those animals are much better right here on that issue.
It almost removed nothing.
I know, that's my point. I get free safety stuff.
Everybody got it.
Oh, I got some safety stuff. My boat, I'll take that boat. That's the boat I want. Give me one of those.
Jojo won't let us do any of this.
We're getting down this end now. We're getting here. Hey, they got cookies over here. I want cookies. Well, I'll eat his. Chris, I'm eating your cookie, buddy, okay? I'll buy you something good in exchange. You can eat that to start with. I don't know if they have any cookies at McDonald's are eatable. I don't know about that either.
Let them each get a hat for $5.
You got $5?
I got 15.
All right, you better have money.
From the,
all right, we're here. All right, we're all waiting for the school bus. I want to go to school today. Wild needs to go back to school. He really needs to go back to school. Maybe they'll take me some technical training on how to do this YouTube thing. Maybe this bus will take me to the right place. Then the fans might get really happy if I do that. So let's see if this bus takes me to the right school. Oh, man, there is something on the floor. Hope it's not a slug. Uh-oh. All right, let's get off the bus anyhow, guys. We got to go with other people on. Come on. Hope my battery doesn't go dead or anything like that. Try not to get anybody in the video that doesn't want to be in the video. Hopefully our co-star doesn't mind being in the video, I hope. If they mind, I have a problem.
Thanks guys for being patient, appreciate it.
Alright, hopefully that paused.
Hey, you alright?
I think I just paused it.
Hold on. What are you guys doing?
I think I figured out how to pause the video finally. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully that's what I did. I think I'm still recording. Alright, hop up there, Joe. You need help? Man the GoPro, man the co-star, do it all. I gotta do it all. Edit in my spare time. Oh yeah? You gonna pull the shift up? Make it forward and reverse.